Hi friends, I'm back again with another collective reading. Welcome to my channel Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm going to do a collective reading of you versus them or your love story. We will see everything about your love story, what you are feeling, what they are feeling. So what are their current energies, what are their intentions towards you, what is the possible outcome of this connection, or what are your mutual energies, everything we will see today. Okay, so please note that this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with everybody, and it is a collective reading. It is not a pick a card reading. So if anything resonates with you, please take it. If it is not resonating, please leave it. If you want any personal reading, please contact me. My details are given below in the description box. And then if you want different kinds of reading, then please mention it in the comment section. I love to read your comments. Okay, but I'm observing some requests that you are asking me to do the videos, but no views. Nobody wants to view. Okay, so for one person or a one viewer, I cannot do such kind of readings. For example, just now I have done the career reading, and no one is interested to watch those kind of videos. So I take the majority of opinions or majority of interest of my viewers. So that is what I will follow. So I will continue love readings only because everybody is interested in that matter or concept. So I will continue the same. Okay, so thanks for your likes and comments and subscriptions, friends, and whoever new to my channel, I welcome them, and whoever is constantly supporting me, my heartfelt thanks to them. And they are keeping me motivated to do the readings, and I'm so happy for your views and for your likes and comments. So please keep continuing your love and affection towards me. I love you all, and I want all my viewers to be safe and happy. Whatever they want, they should get in their life. That is my desire. That is what I ask God when I meditate. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's start the reading. Okay, Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. What is happening in my collective viewers' life? What their person is feeling, what they are feeling? Then please give us some clarity, please give us some guidance. What is happening in their connection? Please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. So let's start today's reading. What I'm going to do is I will divide these cards into two equal piles. Okay, one is for you and one is your person. Okay, we will pull out the cards each at a time, then we will see your energy and your person's energies. And first three cards I will tell you the signs of your person and yourself. Okay, this is a general reading, so you might get all the signs almost, but we will see. Okay, for you and your person. For you it is Seven of Wands. For them it is Ace of Swords. Okay, so you might be you or your person might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and your person might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, air sign and fire sign. So you are facing a lot of struggle in this connection. You are fighting alone, you are standing up for this connection, and your person wants a new beginning in this connection. Your person wants to have a clarity, he wants to have a communication, he wants to have a new start, a fresh start in this relationship. That is what your person is feeling right now. Now let's see. Okay, I think two cards came. So now you're feeling very innocent love. Yours is innocent love, and you both might be childhood friends, classmates, or colleagues, college mates. Okay, so you both are like friends. You know each other already. Okay, or this can be a past life connection also. You feel there's so much love towards this person, and it is innocent and pure. There is no nothing like you want something from the other person. There is no greed or anything like that. So your intentions and your love is very, very pure, and you still see that person as your childhood friend only. You have very pure emotions towards this person, and your person is feeling lot of burden of this connection. he feels that it is a lot of burden on his or her shoulder, because you are giving pure intentions and pure love to him, and this person is not able to take it. This person is not able to accept the connection, because this person was not very genuine with you. That much I can say. And this person is feeling lot of burden, and this person is walking away from this connection. I can see that, because maybe this person is running away from you and your intense connection. This person feels that you have some power, and you are very innocent and pure. So this person is not able to take it, because this person can't be so pure and so innocent towards you. So this person feeling it is very much burden on his shoulders, and this person is walking away. Okay, so you feel that this person is your soulmate. And I forgot to tell you the signs. You or your person might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and already we got the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, you feel that you both have the soulmate relationship, and you want to offer your cup of love towards this person, and you are so much loving, caring, nurturing energy, and you want to have a partnership with this person. You want to have a engagement or marriage. You want to have this union with this person with the infinity symbol. You feel like this person is your soulmate, and you can't forget this person. At the same time, this person is feeling lot of threatening, and this person is praying God that somehow this connection should work. This person is not maybe this person has done something in the past which made you both separate. Okay, now I can see that both of you not in communication. You both are separated, and you both are not communicating with each other by any means, like no mails, no messages, no chatting, no talking, so nothing. So this person is praying God somehow this should work. And also this person is having some secrets also that this person is not able to reveal to you, but somehow he feels that some miracle should happen, and you both should reunite. This person is praying God somehow this connection should work without any, because he feels that this is a burdensome connection, and there are so many obstacles in this connection which this person is not able to think or imagine or do it. Okay, so this person is praying God that some miracle, something should happen, and this connection should start again. Okay, now let's see the Lovers. Okay, I can feel that you or your person might be Gemini or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so you are feeling you both are lovers, because your energy is so pure, so loving. I can see all good cards for you. Okay, so you feel that you both are divinely guided. This is divinely connected. You both are divine counterparts. You both are lovers. You feel that this person is made for you, or you both made for each other, like Adam and Eve. You feel like that God has created us both on this earth, and we both are meant to be together. That's what is your feeling. And your person is hiding his feelings, his feelings, and at the same time this person is feeling like possessive about you. This person is not able to share you with anybody else, but at the same time this person is not open to you. This person is not telling what exactly he or she feels about you. So they are very much introvert. They are keeping all the feelings towards themselves. They are not expressing what to do. I mean, what that person is feeling, they are not at all expressing to you. Everything is hidden for you. You don't know exactly what the person is feeling or thinking about you. Okay, so now you are really in a loving condition. You want Ace of Cups. You want overflowing love from this person. You want this. You want a new beginning with love and lot of emotions. You are very emotional person. I can see a lot of cups energy for you. So you are feeling like this person should start a new beginning with you, and with lot of love, care, nurturing. So you are waiting for the cup of love. And this person looks at you as an empress, like a mother of his children. This person is also seeing you as a marriage material. This person feels that you are so beautiful, you are so rich, you are abundant, and you have so many choices. You can choose anybody else, because a lot of options are there for you. You are beautiful. You are if you are a man, then you are handsome. You are on in your power. So you are like empress. Anybody can fall for you. Anybody can come towards you. That's what this person feels about you. So now you are feeling like you had some tower moment. Something happened. You came to know about this person, about his past, or about his some secrets came to you, in front of you. So then the Tower moment happened. Unexpected ending happened in this connection. So you feel very much shocked, and everything ruined, everything fell down, the tower fell down. So you can feel lot of pain, lot of dark energy. So it was like unexpected, and you didn't even get a chance to make things fix. Okay, you were not able to fix the things, everything collapsed at once. Okay, so I can also see that you or your person blocked each other in social media or WhatsApp. So you both blocked each other. So now no, there is no contact, there is no communication, but at the same time this person is waiting for you. This person is having one more option, but still this person want to offer his world. He's having world in his hand, and he wants to give you whole world to you. Whatever he has, he want to offer to you. He's holding you tightly, he's not letting this connection go. Even though he has another wand next to him, he is not looking at the wand at all. He's waiting for you. This is long distance relationship. I can say for some of you this is a long distance relationship. So this person is patiently waiting for you, maybe your call, your text, or he's waiting for you to unblock. Okay, so this person want to offer whatever he has, he want to offer to you. Okay, now let's see. And you also want the Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands means new start. See, all the aces are coming here. That means you both want a new beginning, new start in this relationship, new start in this connection. You are very much passionate towards each other, because the Ace of Wands and King of Wands. So this person want to come into the power. He is feeling very much passionate towards you. He's feeling he's having the sexual desires towards you, lot of physical attraction. This person want to have a victory. He's waiting patiently, sitting on his throne and holding the wand. Then this person want to have a new beginning. You want to have a new beginning in this connection, and this person also is looking at you for the passionate new beginning. Even he also feels that this connection should work out. So he wants to come into the power, and he wants to come towards you. You both are actually wanting the same thing. Okay, wow, very nice. So this will be the last cards. So you are waiting, you are holding. Even you have the options. Even definitely I can feel that this is a long distance relationship. Both of you cannot meet each other. So you are holding the wand tightly, and you are waiting for this person. You are turning away from this connection, but still you are not able to forget this person. You are still holding the past, even though two options are there already in front of you, but still you are holding this person very tightly. You are dwelling in the past. You are not moving ahead. You are not moving forward in the future. So you are just turning away from this connection, but you are not able to forget. You are constantly 24/7 you are thinking about this person, and this person will contact you, because this person is not able to stay anymore. This is Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands meaning the communication. This person will soon definitely will contact you. Okay, this person definitely want to contact you, and this person want to clear everything. Whatever the misunderstanding happened, whatever fight happened between you, this person want to clear everything, and he want to have a new beginning in this connection. Okay, so now let's pull one card. First, let's pull one guidance card from universe for each other. For you, it already flew away. Let me take out the card. Perfect card for you. For you, it is Chariot. Okay, let's see for them. For them, what angels want to guide? What angels want to guide them? What angels want to guide them? Please give us some advice, angels and spirit guides. Please give some guidance. Please give your advice. What? Okay, High Priestess. Okay, so for you, universe is saying that there is a movement in this connection. Okay, don't worry, there is a movement in this connection. You are feeling that it is stuck, nothing can happen. You both are stuck, you both can't contact each other. So universe is saying, don't worry, things will move for you. Things will not be stagnant anymore. Definitely there will be a movement with the Chariot. Chariot is the fastest moving card in the tarot. So universe is saying, don't worry, your love life will move ahead in a positive direction. At the same time, the Chariot also indicates that you have to concentrate on yourself first. You have to stand up for yourself. You have to upgrade yourself, and make yourself ready for this connection. So concentrate on yourself. That's what is the Chariot is saying. Then for them, it is High Priestess. High Priestess means universe is saying you have to follow your gut feelings. You don't listen to anybody else. There is a devil that is killed by Shakti, okay, in this picture. So that means they are saying that kill your fears. Let all the bad intentions or bad company, bad friendships or bad things which others are saying about you. I can strongly feel that some his friends or family members are spoiling your connection. They are interfering in your connection. So universe is saying you follow your gut instinct and move ahead towards this connection. This connection is divinely guided, and you have to follow your gut feeling, not about others' feelings or not about others' advices. You have to kill the devil. Okay, so death should happen of the devil, because you are getting scared of this connection. You are not open. You have to be open. You have to you should not keep any secrets towards your partner or a lover. Okay, so that is what universe is guiding him. So for both of you, we will pull one more card. For both of you, what is the mutual energy, spirit guides? What is the mutual energy? What is the mutual energy of this, my collective? What is the mutual energy of my collective, please? Okay, so many cards came out. Okay, mutual energy is Emperor and the Star. The Star is always a hope. Okay, you both are hoping about each other, about this connection. You both hope that this connection will work. Okay, so you both have the hope on this connection. You both didn't leave this connection, and at the same time you both are very controlling, dominating. The Emperor card. Okay, so mutual energy is either your father or his father, his or her, your partner's father figure. Somebody is interfering in this matter, or in other words, that you both are very dominant. You both are very strong personalities. You both have lot of pride and ego. So you both are not giving up the pride and ego. So in any love relationship, if you are feeling prideful or having ego, it will not work. You both have a hope, but at the same time nobody is making a move, because you both feel like, why should I move? Then the other person is feeling, why should I move? So this is what the condition of your love connection right now. Okay, so then let's say, what is the future of this connection, spirit guides? What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection, spirit guides? Angels and archangels, please give us some guidance. What is the future of this connection? For my collective viewers, please give one card. What is the future of this connection? What is the outcome of this connection? What is the future of this connection? One card, spirit, please. What is the future of this connection? Wow. Okay, so the future of this connection is Lovers. So what else you want, friends? So this is a very positive card for my collectives. So the Lovers, you both love each other. You both are divinely guided. You both are divine counterparts. You both are will have a loving relationship in future. So you both are not separated. Whatever the separation is happening now, it is just temporary. So you should not worry about all those things. Leave it to God, leave it to divine, leave it to universe. Universe will make you both together like lovers. Okay, so the very, very positive outcome. This is the outcome of your connection, friends. Very positive energies I can feel. So let's see your person's feelings towards you. Let's see your person's messages for 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 you. Okay, let's see your person's messages for you. Okay, that's all. So let's say this situation involves marriage. So definitely you both will get married in the future. So this situation involves marriage, engagement. Okay, very, very positive cards, friends. You are very lucky, my collectives. You are getting very positive energies. The situation involves marriage, then engagement. I love you unconditionally. So this person wants to say that he loves you unconditionally. Children are affecting this connection. Maybe one of you are a single mom or a single dad. So this person is saying children are affecting this connection. So let's give a second chance to this connection. So whatever happened, that other moment came between you, so now this person want to have a give a second chance to this connection. Very nice positive cards. I am stuck now, please move on. This person may be stuck in the third party situation, so this person is saying that I am stuck right now, please move on, because that person is feeling that this connection is very burdened right now. This person is feeling like that, but divine will definitely show you a way, because we got the outcome card as a lovers. So definitely you both will be together with the engagement, marriage, then lovers card. I know I messed up everything. Now this person is repenting. This person is saying, I know I messed up everything. Inner battle. So this person somehow feels that maybe this person feels low, or this person feels he's not worthy for you, because you are very pure and innocent. You have a lot of emotions, you have a lot of cups energies. This person is battling into himself, inner battle. This person is fighting with himself. This person may be thinking whether I'm good for this my viewer or not. So this person is thinking, he is constantly battling what to do, what to say. Okay, then let me pull some initials also about your person. Okay, let's pull some initials. Hope you can see. Q, U, R, then K, C, S. These letters can be their first name, middle name or last name. T, then Y, then E, then F, L, W, and D. Okay, so these are all the initials I got for you. So they might be your person's first name or last name or the middle name of any initial. Okay, so take it how it resonates, friends. But overall I feel this is a very very positive, and currently I can see here outcome is also very positive. So stay positive, and that's all I have for you. Love and light. I love you all. Till next reading. Bye.